Lesson 25 quiz, absolute value. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. You will now select your cycle number. 1A. The number line shows 2 points. Compare the points using less than, equal to, or greater than. Is -9 less than, equal to, or greater than 5? And make your choice below. 1B. The number line shows 2 points. Compare the points using less than, equal to, or greater than. The absolute value of -9 is less than, equal to, or greater than the absolute value of 5. And make your choice from the answer choices below. Number 2. Kamal hires 3 people to make costumes for the dancers in his Bollywood dance company. The table below shows Kamal's balance with each costume maker at the end of each week. So the table shows Olivia is -208, Anju is -362, and Deepak is -295. Kamal owes the greatest amount to which costume maker? Letter A, Anju, because -362 is greater than -208, and -362 is greater than -295. Letter B, Anju, because -362 has the greatest absolute value of the values in the table. Or letter C, Olivia, because -208 is greater than -362, and -208 is greater than -295. 3A. Heidi records the amount of money she earns and spends each day for 1 week. A negative amount represents money that Heidi spends. Determine whether each statement is correct. Select yes or no for each statement. 3A. Heidi earns more on Sunday than she spends on Saturday. Is that yes or no? On Sunday, she earned $2. On Saturday, she spent $8. We're going to use the same table for 3B. Heidi spends more on Wednesday than she earns on Friday. On Wednesday, she spent $10. On Friday, she earned $3. Is that yes or no? Again, for 3C, using the same table. Heidi earns less on Tuesday than she spends on Wednesday. On Tuesday, she earned $9. On Wednesday, she spent $10. Is that yes or no? Still using the same table. Heidi spends the same amount on Monday as she earns on Thursday. So on Monday, she spent $5. On Thursday, she earned $5. So is that yes or no? (4A). Ezra dives from a sailboat into a lake. The surface of the water is 0 feet. Ezra dives 33 feet below the surface of the water. The top of the sail on the sailboat is 24 feet above the surface. 4A. Which is farther from the surface of the water at 0 feet? Ezra at 33 feet or the top of the sail at 24 feet above the surface. For B, based on your answer from 4A, they are farther from the surface of the water because, letter A, negative 33 is greater than 24. Letter B, the absolute value of negative 33 is greater than the absolute value of 24. Or letter C, the absolute value of negative 33 is less than the absolute value of 24. And make your choice from there, A, B, or C. And number 5, Jing is thinking of a number. She gives 3 clues about her number. The number is odd. The number is less than 3. The absolute value of this number is between 4 and 10. Your choices are -9, 1, or 7.